What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm showing you this message that I got from Receipt Pal. I just cashed out $5. I'm gonna show you all that with that real quick. Showing you that my email will be, your reward will be emailed to you shortly. When they say that, it's really instantly. So I'm gonna show you the email and all that stuff. But first, let me show you how I use this site. So I'm gonna click on continue. Right now I have 300 points. I just cashed out 2,200 because $5 gift card is equivalent to 2,200 points, and you're just basically scanning receipts. You know, if you click on here receipts, it'll show you it's where you need to be in order to make money. And all you do is whenever you had a receipt, just click on that camera right there, take a picture of it, and allow it to process. It'll take about maybe a couple hours to process, and basically excuse me, the only thing they're looking for is to make sure that your receipt is actually valid. Basically with the dates, like you see here, they're accepting receipts from the 17th and later. So if I scan a receipt that was from the 15th, you know, it won't be credited because it's expired. So just make sure whenever you get a receipt, just go ahead and scan it right then and there. Excuse me. That way you don't have to worry about you know, your receipt being expired or anything like that. You can get credit for it instantly. You see here, one card is equivalent to 100 points. So that's basically each receipt is 25 points, because a card is like 4 receipts that you have to get. But you don't really realize how many receipts you have until you're actually taking pictures of them and getting paid for them, because I'm realizing, man, I have a lot of receipts. And then sometimes, like my wife, you know, she'll have a receipt, and, you know, I'll take her receipt and, you know, I'll scan and get paid for it, things like that. You know, I may find a receipt somewhere, I'll take a picture of it. I mean, there are a lot of receipts out there that you can, you know, take pictures of just from your own and, you know, your friends or family close to you. So because a lot of people don't do anything with receipts, they just throw them away. But now you know that you can get paid for them, you might as well just go ahead and do it. I mean, it's free, doesn't take any money out of your pocket. You might as well get involved with it. So just like I said, every receipt you have, just take a picture of it and get paid for it. Now let me show you things you can cash out with. If I go rewards, you have it starts out at $5. You can actually 2,200 points, $5. You can get an Amazon gift card or a retail gift card. The retail gift card, that's like, you know, different stores you can choose from. And also in that section is like a virtual Visa gift card that you can get, which is basically like, you know, basically like cash. Level 2 rewards, you can cash out at $10, $25, you know, same thing. And then the level 3 is $50 and $100. So, I mean, all of this is just basically taking pictures of receipts. I mean, I've cashed out many times on this site. I mean, on this app. And so, I mean, I'm really encouraging, if you have not downloaded this app, to download it. The link to this app will be in the description. So click on it today, download it, and, you know, start getting paid for receipts. I mean, it is very easy to do. Like I said, you don't realize how many receipts are out there until you're getting paid for them. So let me go over to my email real quick. Click on this right here. Here's the email right there. And so if I click on this link, you see, congratulations on your reward, you're receiving a $5 gift card pass. I click on that, and it'll take me to where I want to actually use the card. It'll take me to picking which card I want, like a gift card from the store or a virtual Visa gift card. So I'm not going to do that, because, you know, when you do that, it kind of shows your personal information, like your address and all that stuff. But, you know, it's very easy to use. This app pays instantly. So, I mean, as soon as you cash out, you'll get this email to you. So definitely take advantage of it. Download it today. You know, get paid for every receipt. You know, get a quick $5. I mean, it'll take maybe like 1 or 2 weeks to get it. I mean, no, it's not a fast earner, but it is an earner. You know, you want to have as many money making opportunities as possible, because, you know, so many people are struggling these days to make money. And, you know, I've been a victim of that. You know, I've struggled to make money, you know, and I've looked for many different ways to make more money. And now I'm finding all these sites and apps that I'm using. So a lot of those struggles are a thing of the past, because I'm actually, you know, just putting in the work. So I encourage you guys to do the same thing. You know, and that's why every Monday I bring you different opportunities, a new opportunity to make money with. And then, you know, a lot of my videos are just showing you cash outs. My bad. Let me deny that real quick. But I'm just showing you, you know, new ways to make money. So definitely, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. You know, like, share, comment, you know, but definitely subscribe to my channel, because I'm showing you guys how to make money online for free using all kind of different sites and apps. And this is just another one. Gift cards, all the time for just scanning receipts. I mean, how many times do you get a receipt and you just throw it away? Well, now you shouldn't throw it away until you get paid for it. So definitely download this app. Like I said, the link is in the description. Get paid instantly for scanning receipts, and add it to your routine. And once you do that, like I said, you'll add it to what you're already doing. Other ways you're making money with, and you'll just kind of see how your financial future will kind of change because you're putting in the work and making money online now. So that's it for this video. Like I said, the link is in the description to sign up for it today. And always remember, every penny counts.